The Liberty Pump's 257 1/3 horsepower submersible sump pump pumps up to 50 gallons per minute with a shutoff head of 21 feet and 1/2 inch solids handling capabilities. The Liberty Pump's 257 1/3 horsepower sump pump covers a wide range of low to mid-range pump applications and liquid waste transfer and high output sump applications. You can count on the Liberty Pump's 257 submersible sump pump to offer superior performance. The Liberty Pump's 257 features a unique one-piece cast iron body, permanently sealed and lubricated upper and lower bearings, quick disconnect 10-foot standard power cord, heavy-duty magnetically actuated VMF switch on vertical float models, so it can be used in sumps down to a 10-inch diameter. Rugged motor, oil filled with thermal overload protection. Vortex style impeller made of high temperature engineering polymer. 4/16 stainless steel rotor shaft. High output 1/3 horsepower motor. Discharge 1 1/2 inch. Maximum fluid temperature 140 degrees. Durable epoxy powder coat finish. Dimensions are 10.5 inches high and 9.6 inches wide. There is a 2-year warranty. Thank you for watching my video. For more information, head on over to somepumpsforus.com and get your hands on this powerful Liberty Pump's 257 1/3 horsepower sump pump at the lowest price around. I would appreciate it very much if you would first take a second and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.